everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make waffles. What's great about these waffles is that they're really super light and fluffy, and that's because they use sourdough starter. So if you check out my bread recipe, there's some information there on how to create your own sourdough starter. But if you have sourdough starter at home, then you're all ready to go with this waffle recipe. So let me show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to make one single Belgian waffle, and you can multiply it out if you want to make more. So we're going to start with a half a teaspoon of psyllium husk and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it together and let it sit for a minute to thicken. And add 2 tablespoons of brown rice flour, 2 tablespoons of millet flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to add 1/3 of a cup, or just under 1/3 of a cup actually, of vegan milk. And mix that together. And depending on your type of milk, it'll be a little runny to start, and then you just mix it by hand for a minute and it'll start to thicken up a little bit. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of sourdough starter. And about a teaspoon of agave. And just mix that all together until it's well combined. Now we're going to take our waffle iron and just spray it with a little bit of oil and preheat it. Now, even if it's non-stick, you want to use a little bit of oil because you want to make sure the waffle doesn't stick at all. And once it's preheated, we're going to add enough batter, and in this case it'll be all of our batter, but enough to just cover to the edges. You want to make sure you don't overfill it or it'll just leak out. And just spread it out so that it reaches all the way to the edges. And close it up. And if you have a waffle iron like this which spins around, then you want to turn it after about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes. And the waffle should come right out of the waffle iron onto the plate. It'll be nice and crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. And then you can use whatever toppings you like. In this case, I'm going to add some vegan butter and some banana slices and some chopped walnuts. And then top it with some maple syrup. And it's ready to eat. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more great recipes, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.